You did not use cocaine today?
No.
You expect me to believe that?
No.
It's nearly noon in Strongsville, Ohio, where police have pulled over a teenager suspected of driving under the influence.
Oh, you want to turn the car off for me, please? Step out for me. Yeah, I talked to your mom. Step out.
This is my car.
You can leave the vape in there. Leave the vape in there. Okay. Come on back here and talk to me. What's going on? Huh?
The suspect was pulled over after her mom reportedly called the police, concerned about the teen.
Like, I'm 19 years old. This is my car. This is my name. Like,
I know. I told her that.
Cops.
Well, you called the cops too.
I know, it's on her about like saying that she's gonna call on me.
And I showed up to see what's going on with you two. And you're gone. You left. And then you came home and then you left again.
I know, just see if she was there.
Okay, so what's going on?
Because I need to get my bee. I just wanted to get my bee.
Your what?
My bedtime blanket.
Okay.
It's like my baby blanket and stuff. I just need it for my anxiety.
Police identify the suspect as 19-year-old Karina Hnat, who apparently got in an argument with her mom before driving off. Let's continue.
So you're going to counseling for drinking. When's the last time you drank?
Last time I drank was 2 nights ago. It was at Truly.
Okay.
And it was half the Truly. Okay. I don't drink straight liquor anymore.
Okay.
At all.
How long? So that Malibu bottle's old?
That was Gwen's.
Okay.
That was my neighbor's.
Okay.
She doesn't believe me, but like I literally
Do you still have your fake IDs?
No.
You got rid of them?
I don't have any fake IDs.
So you'll let me look at your wallet and your purse and...
I have my friend's fake ID.
So you have a fake ID?
Well, it's not mine. I don't use it.
You're not talking... But listen.
But I don't use it.
You're not talking to mom.
I know, but she printed up all my fake IDs.
So you haven't had anything to drink last night or today?
No.
Nothing at all?
No, this Truly was from 2 nights ago.
So you'll do a breath test for me?
Yeah.
You would?
Yes.
Okay, sit tight right here.
Karina rolls out a laundry list of excuses, but this officer is not budging.
You see the tip of my finger? Mm-hmm. Follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Very good.
Oh, this is surprising. I'm doing good because I have astigmatism in my eyes.
Do you?
So I technically should be having glasses.
Astigmatism doesn't affect this though.
It does with the rapid eye movement. Sorry.
Okay, you're okay.
I was talking like...
No, you're okay. You're okay. You're good. Okay. Do one more thing for me. Stand right here. Do you have any leg or back problems?
I have, I don't know if it's like an actual problem, but lately, like my tailbone and like my lower back has been really with me because I sleep on a futon.
Does it prevent you from walking?
Sometimes. Like it doesn't, like, not medically, but I can still walk.
Okay.
So.
All right, let's go.
Heel on toe.
Yeah, we don't have enough room. Let's go on the sidewalk. Take 9 more heel to toe steps, counting each step out loud as you go. All right. Any questions?
No.
Okay, begin when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
8. It's hurting.
Hurts?
Yes.
Okay, you can stop.
Wait. I got it.
4-3. Are you still on station?
Can you not like determine any of this like
on that? Like, yeah, I know. That's what I don't want to count this.
Like it hurts. But
the PBT that's in car 21 is not working. Could you bring me one down here to Bradgate and Waterford?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pivot on the left.
And pivot. Yeah, see, just don't stop. I don't want you to hurt your back. Come on over here. Let's just talk.
After some uncertain sobriety tests, the officer has some questions for Karina.
Do you have anything illegal in the car? Okay, so
except my friend's ID.
I'm not worried about that.
I'm sorry about that again.
There's no drugs in the car.
No.
So your little blue pouch clutch that you always have with you, there's nothing in there that...
It's at my mom's house.
It's at her house? Okay.
Moments later, something catches this officer's eye that suggests Karina may not have been entirely truthful.
You guys gotta find a way to communicate with each other.
She should have never had fun. She should have never got kids. God gave her the blessing of not being.
You guys gotta find a way to communicate.
Well, no, like, not finding a way. It's like.
Stay right here. Hold on, back up. Back up for me. Back up. Real quick. Back up away from your car. Back up. What's that in that plastic bag in there on the front seat?
Plastic bag? Oh, it's
No.
wipes. Here.
No, don't go in your car.
Wipes.
Stand there. Can I look?
Yes.
Stand there. Stand there behind your car. Don't move.
Don't look.
Police find a bag of suspected cocaine in the passenger seat of the car.
Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Let go of your phone. Let go of your phone. You are under arrest.
That's not mine.
You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, the court will appoint you one prior to any questioning. You have the right to make a statement. If you choose to make a statement, you can stop at any time for the purpose of consulting an attorney.
But it's not mine.
It's on your front seat with a rolled up dollar bill. And based on my training experience, I'm pretty sure that's cocaine. So, come on back here with me. Do you have anything on you that's going to cut me, stick me, poke me?
No.
Nothing in your pockets? So when I asked you if there was anything illegal in the car and you said no.
I didn't know it was in there.
Sitting right next to you? Come on, have a seat. Sitting right next to you. Did you use cocaine today?
No.
You did not use cocaine today?
No.
You expect me to believe that?
No.
You got in a fight with your mom, you're all angry, you're all worked up, and you have a bag of cocaine with a roll-up dollar bill right next to you on the front seat, and you expect me to believe that you didn't use any today?
Alright, I did.
Okay. Alright, put your leg in the car.
Can I have my phone? Please?
No. Your phone is evidence now. Put your foot in the car, please.
I need my phone to call.
You're not.
Here.
You'll call a lawyer when you get back to the jail with our phone.
Police leave Karina alone in the cruiser while they search her vehicle. It's at this point the teen seems to decide it's 5 o'clock right here. Karina appears to put something up her mouth through her hoodie and seems to take a drink. Next, our slippery suspect manages to escape her handcuffs. Now, with nothing holding her back, she appears to do it again. Finally, the secret is out when the 19-year-old reveals what appears to be a white claw can hidden in her pants. She polishes off that drink, but our alleged backseat boozer isn't stopping there. Karina then appears to take a puff of her vape before she decides to fill officers in on her handcuff situation.
Yo! Yo! My handcuffs came off! Handcuffs came off! The one handcuff came off.
Yeah, because you pulled your hand out.
No, I was trying to adjust.
Let go of this. You're done with this.
Oh, please do not touch that. I ruptured through my hand.
Where'd the Malibu in there come from? You bought it today? With that fake ID that was on the front seat?
I don't use the fake ID. Killbane's doesn't ID.
They don't ID, so they sold that to you today? Alright. The weed, you obviously smoke weed. You use that for your anxiety? Alright.
My mom knows that, though.
Okay. Yeah, she never said anything about weed. She just said she was worried you're on coke or something worse, and she was right.
I took one bump.
Alright.
And
listen,
it was
you understand.
supposed to go to another person that I was giving it to. And
Okay.
like it literally is not.
Listen to me.
I promise you, I took one. Like I tell you, I took one bump, I was supposed to give it to someone else. I don't keep it on me at all.
Before Karina is put back in that patrol car, she has one request for the officers.
We'll talk more at the station. Have a seat. No, I can't let you in the car. It's against our rules, and I like my job. I'm not going to lose it, so you can puff your bait.
Hit it before I go in.
Yes, I'll let you hit it before we go. No, before we go into the jail. When we get there, before we go into the jail, I'll let you hit it.
One more hit.
One more.
You need it that bad?
She's stressing. Let her hit
Okay.
her.
Is it just nicotine? I'm assuming.
Yeah.
At this point, don't matter. Have a seat. All right, come on.
The nice officers let Karina hit her vape and return with a breathalyzer test.
All right.
All right.
Blow into this. Keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Okay, stop.
What's on it?
Okay.
What's on it?
What's that?
What's on it?
A lot. Did you drink today?
No.
What?
What's on it?
0.243.
No.
Well, I mean,
Can I blow again? Let me blow again.
go ahead.
Literally, I did not drink at all today.
Not at all, huh? With that high BAC, officers are unsure if their portable machine is accurate. They decide it's time to hit the road, and once en route to jail, Karina keeps up with her excuses.
I didn't even know it was in my car. I was even...
You have a problem.
No, it was not me. I was getting my... No, I was getting my weed.
You have a drug now? You use the drug.
Alright.
Still illegal. It's not yet illegal. And even after illegal, it's still going to be considered a drug.
And I got my weed, and I didn't even know he dropped that. And you can see the... I'm like...
It was in there because you said you took a bump of it.
There was... No, I took a bump off of nothing.
You took a bump off of nothing?
Off another thing.
Wondering where that White Claw can went? Back at the police station, it isn't long until it makes another appearance.
That's what I asked you. Did you have one?
No, I said no, I don't know.
Go to the wall. Place your hands down your feet. What you got in there? Hold up. She got something in there. What you got on there?
Open my phone. There's my phone.
She had an empty... Hey, Phil! She had an empty beer can here. Come on. Keep your hands on the wall. Take 3 steps back towards me. Spread your legs wide. I'm going to search you. You got anything else? This will be the time to say something.
No.
Police then ask Karina to take another breathalyzer test.
Good. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good job, good job. You're almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. All right, stay right here. All right, you want her down there, Angela? Okay, go down there. I don't know. It's going to tell us in a second. It's got to do its thing. It's going to spit the results out. Come on down here. No, yeah, just leave that. I'll take it. You don't worry about that. Come on with me. Come here.
A police report shows the 19-year-old's test resulted in a .219 blood alcohol level, slightly lower than that portable test earlier.
I haven't eaten anything.
I know.
I don't know why I'm fucking crying. That's why we hope you and Roxy.
Actually, hold on one sec. Come back in here for one sec. I just got to grab.
Oh, I thought you needed to check.
Karina Hnat was booked for operating a vehicle under the influence and underage possession of alcohol.
I just want to call my boyfriend real quick.
We're going to let you go.
Like, what's happening?
Come on. Let's go hit your face.
This is a Law&Crime legal alert. Google Incognito tracked users' browsing data without their knowledge. Mass Tort Alliance, one of our legal sponsors, is helping users file for compensation due to Google misleading the privacy of their incognito browser. If you've used Google Incognito anytime since 2016, you can start your claim in less than 10 questions at incognitoclaims.com/LCBodycam.
You gotta put your toes down. No, you can't do that.
I request the superior officer right now. The police coming straight from the underground.
It's January in Clearwater, Florida, where we meet one woman who, well, let's just say, got a little carried away.
No way, are you kidding me? No way. Are you kidding me? You came literally at the worst second. Those men were literally attacking me for the whole night. No way, sir. Like, I'm telling you, those men were literally attacking me for the whole night. At the second they came, I was literally defending myself. No, please don't arrest me. Like, I'm telling you, that was literally the 1 second I was defending myself. I'm telling you right now, like, I'm telling you. As a woman, I'm the only one. Okay, as a woman, I'm the only one in cops and all the men who were literally standing up and going like this to me, and they're all That's fine.
There was a gentleman downstairs ready to Uber her home. I work here, and I was just saying.
I'm ready to go home. I'm just saying. I really don't, sir. Sir, I'm just saying these men were literally playing games with me, sir.
She doesn't deserve it, and I work here. So I just want to put that out there. And my nephew's a CPD.
Yeah, we'll grab that.
Sir, can I bring her right now?
Give her her phone.
Right now. You know if I don't get it right now.
She does honestly
I'm done.
They told her to leave because she was a little inebriated and she was a little slow doing it.
We're gonna come talk in a second. I'm not right down right now. That's hand me your phone.
Quiet. Okay? Quiet. Quiet. I have a lawyer on tech, actually. This is on him right now. Out of all the men that were acting crazy,
okay, well, we're gonna go back up there and talk to everybody and figure out what's going on.
I hope we do. And you know what? Give me my phone so I can call my lawyer right now. Please. I like to call my lawyer right now, actually.
Looks like our stumbling suspect decided not to follow that woman's advice. Let's move on.
Can I get my phone to call my lawyer right now?
No,
please,
we're not doing that.
You can dial Zach Chara right now. No, I literally have my one call. And do I have an hour later?
Hey, it's like feedback time.
Oh my god. Alright, so what the happened where y'all got caught over here like this, like in a big, it's like...
Well, obviously something happened. You're on the floor. You have a security guard on top of you, so...
I literally...
And you're highly intoxicated, so we gotta figure it out, okay? Alright?
As another officer approaches, we get a better look at our suspect from his angle.
Hi. I haven't done anything other than...
honestly, this guy's an asshole. He won't let go of me. He won't stop touching me when I said, please stop touching me.
Him?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Cool, but can I just be not touched and just be chilling?
So, security guard was on top of her.
Okay, so that's my phone right there.
And that's as far as I've got.
Okay. No, so do you actually know what the happened?
Why don't we put her in Millie's car and then we'll figure that out?
No, I know, I'm not going to car.
Yeah, you're definitely going in the car.
I will. Yeah. I will literally call my lawyer right now.
Okay, cool.
Please call my lawyer.
Hey, everything you're doing right now is just proving why you got called out here. Okay?
Honestly, no. Okay,
so
I wasn't trying.
Cool,
I'm not.
It'll look better for you. Okay?
I'm not trying to act like crazy, but like no, honestly.
All right, well, get in the car and we'll figure out what's going on.
Only if you give me my phone right now, so I can call my fucking lawyer, because that's the law. Only give me my phone.
You're gonna go on.
Give me my phone.
Did you double lock him?
No, give me my phone so I can call my fucking lawyer. No.
Hey,
I'm not going in without
Hey,
my
get your
phone.
leg off of him. You're gonna make this worse.
Dude,
Get in the car.
okay, so when can I go to my lawyer?
When you get to county.
When can I go?
Get in
Are
the
you
car.
kidding me? Yo, y'all are gonna regret this.
While police try to work out what happened, let's join the woman in the back of that patrol car, where it's anything but quiet.
No. Please let me out. Please let me out. Baby, please let me out. Are you kidding me?
Just relax.
No. I don't want to jail. I'm a cute white girl. Stop. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Her drunken tirade continues.
And you know, fucking what? I literally was so upset at what happened, and they literally just grabbed me and didn't even ask me what happened. That really upset me, hurt my feelings. Like, who cares about Nicole? No one. Obviously. Nicole, okay, whatever. Alright, Nicole, let's Nicole right now, for real, dog. You want to see what happened to me, Nicole? Yeah, and I love Nicole. I literally love myself. I love myself, but I just want to prove a point. I want to prove a point, because what I said, I have boyfriends. So I want to prove a point to see what happens when I run away from the cops after getting illegally detained. Dude, thank you. Legally detain me. Hell no. I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry, I got a little rush. For you.
Despite the apology, she keeps going.
Where's my lawyer? You, where's my lawyer? Look at that, I don't care, that's not mine. Oh, and that is my wallet. Oh, they found my purse. Good shit, thank God. Oh God, you might be close. Cool. Thank God y'all found my purse.
The suspect we see here is identified as 28-year-old Nicole Asselin. She eventually notices police found her lost purse and reveals some of the contents inside.
Stop searching my shit. Right now he's searching my... What is it? He's searching for a receipt that I had in my wallet. It was for, I think and it's embarrassing. But anyway, he's still searching me and it's embarrassing and he has it in his hand. And he rolled it up and he put it on the roof of the car. And I literally cannot wait until I can talk to my fucking lawyer. Yo, this man, all these tapes is getting requested. All y'all are getting fired. All y'all are getting fired. Yo, do you know who my dad is? Yo, tell them who my dad is. No, seriously. Yo. Seriously. Alright, now I'm getting the window for me. But they found nothing. They literally found nothing. Wait till they hear my dad is. They're gonna have a great time. Let me out! I'm telling you right now, you're gonna have a bad time. There's literally nothing in that bag but lip gloss and tampons.
Let's check in with the bouncer of that bar while that tipsy tirade continues.
Good, sir.
Good.
Good to see you.
Cracked out, nuts, kicking, screaming, yelling.
Where? Here? In the bar?
In the bar, upstairs, downstairs. She started doing the most inside, so I'm trying to bring her to the elevator to let her go. She turned around, kicked me in the legs, just doing all the extra.
Okay.
To the point where I just put her down, held her hands behind her back, told the manager to call you.
Are you injured?
No.
Back inside the patrol car, Nicole is not letting up. Take a look.
Let me talk to the supervisor! Let me talk to the supervisor! Please! No! I want to talk to the supervisor! I want to talk to the supervisor! This is unfair! Sir, Mr. Supervisor, sir, please let me tell you that this man did not properly detain me.
Then Nicole gives a little TMI, sharing tidbits about her personal relationships.
I have literally 5 lawyers that I for fun. So, I don't know what kind of games you're playing. Honestly, I literally... Oh, this is bad. This is bad for y'all right now. Because I requested a superior. I requested a superior earlier. Excuse me. Excuse me. SOS! SOS! I'm being literally kidnapped by cop. Are you kidding me?
Officers notice Nicole managed to get her handcuffs in front of her. When they go to correct the situation, things get a little topsy-turvy.
Okay, so who's gonna
Hey, put those things back behind you. Hey, Nicole, put the cuffs behind your back.
Okay.
That's a charge if you...
Oh, sorry.
Yes, I was trying to feed you the answer, not to put them in the front. I don't want you to get a charge for having cuffs in front of you. You're good. Just relax. All right, I'm going to open this door. I'm going to put my handcuffs on you. They have to be in your back, though, okay?
Wait, they're not there.
Put them in your back, please. Okay, I've been nice to you. Be nice to me, okay? Are you going to be nice?
Yeah, I will.
Put your feet down, though. I don't want to...
I promise I will, but my feet off here. You promise? Promise you won't get mad at me. This is literally all I can do right now. I can't move my arms or legs, but I want to be crazy. I'm telling you right now.
How about you put them back in the front? Can you do that again? And then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Whatever you do.
Okay, as long as you don't get mad about it.
Just don't. Now sit up like a normal person in a chair.
Okay, that's what
Feet on the ground. Perfect.
You tell me lawyer all
Feet
about
on the ground. Now just stay there, okay?
With our suspect successfully untangled, let's get back into the action.
Can I please talk to your superior officer?
Yes, please don't spit my face. Just look that way while I do this.
No, can I talk to your superior officer right now?
When I get these cuffs fixed.
Right now. Where's the boss man?
Put this hand.
Call him. Call him right now.
Just keep your hand down there. Right there, okay?
Okay.
Just relax for me.
Please call the superior officer.
Relax for me. Relax. But keep your hand down.
Yeah, my lord. It's gonna love this. I don't have a good ass time in court.
Can you turn that way for me?
Can y'all call your superior officer for me first? Please? Can you please call the superior officer? Please call the superior officer! I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm the sergeant.
Are you really the sergeant? Yes. Can I call my lawyer, please? I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. Please let me call my lawyer. Let me call my lawyer. Are you kidding me? Oh.
Hold on, I'm gonna do this thing so it doesn't get tight. Hold on. Let me double lock it so it doesn't get tighter.
I'm waiting. We're gonna have a field day. We're gonna have a fucking lawsuit. I'm gonna be crazy, bitch.
You're about the 400th person that's told me.
I really could guess what? Those motherfuckers in our boys. I'm talking to you, what?
Alright, Miss Nicole, you're gonna sit back in there, okay?
No, yes. I request a superior officer before I go.
Recuffed and tucked back in, our sassy suspect just keeps going.
Are you kidding me? No, they're lying and they're me over right now. No. Okay, so if this footage gets played in court, I wanted to be known that they were all laughing at me when I'm in my Davis control. Hey! Let me out! Superior officer said, let me out! Yo, superior officer. Superior officer. Superior officer. I request the superior officer right now. And my lawyer says that too. I request the superior officer right now. 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 Where's your boss, you little... Seriously, where is he?
And staying on brand, Nicole shares a message for her favorite officer.
Can I please be involved in this conversation? Because you're a liar. Your mustache is trash. And you're a piece of shit. And I hope some girl shit on your face when she's riding that shit. Because you suck.
Officers decide to take Nicole to another transport vehicle. And let's just say, it doesn't go smoothly.
Nah, this is the real cop car. You're fucking kidding me. No, leave me in there. No, this isn't the real. No. I request a real cop car, and I request my lawyer to be here when this happens. No, I don't know this man. I don't want to get kidnapped. What do you mean? I don't know y'all. I don't know y'all. No, I don't know y'all. No. Okay. Y'all weird ass molesters, and I hope, karma's gonna get you. Karma's gonna get you. No, your ancestors are watching. Like handcuffs like this. Same with you. Oh, that's way too hard. He's doing it too tight.
You're the one pulling away.
I'm doing it so hard. You're stepping on my foot.
Yeah, because you keep kicking.
All of y'all are too. Oh, I hate all y'all. The police coming straight from the underground. No, all y'all suck. He's stepping on my whole
Well, if you stop kicking, I won't do that.
I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
You! Wait till my... Sammy, wait till my lawyer hears about this. Please let me out.
Did you catch that? Nicole appears to kick at an officer, making one last splash before she's whisked away to jail. Let's rewind and take a look from a better angle.
You're stepping on my foot!
Yeah, because you keep kicking.
All of y'all are too... Oh, I hate all y'all. The police coming straight from the underground. No, all y'all suck.
We got some people
Stepping on my whole
Well, if you stop kicking, I won't do that.
I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
You! Wait till my...
Okay.
Sammy, wait till my lawyer hears about this. Please let me out.
You just turned your misdemeanor into a felony.
Yeah, because you kicked me. You kicked me. Good job.
He was slamming on my foot. Are you kidding me?
You're being ridiculous.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding?
Hey, you can record all you want. That's fine, but don't interrupt our investigation, all right?
No, I'm from Boston. I'm a Boston.
Yeah,
East Coast life. Yeah, whatever.
Get in.
You okay?
Nicole was booked for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. She pled guilty to both charges.